So this is a boat that came in. Customer says it's taking on water, and we looked at everything at the shop, couldn't find anything that would be causing it to leak. He said, hey, we'll take it to the lake and see if it takes on water. So that's why we're here. Got it powered up in the lake, deep enough, in gear, powering up. Looking around in the back for something that's don't see anything. Powered up in reverse, and maybe it'll pull the back away from the transom. Well, we leave it in reverse for a little while and see if maybe the transom assembly is loose on the boat and it'll be pulling it away from it, and maybe it'll take on some water then. But he said he could reach his hand up inside the motor compartment and he could feel water coming in. Still nothing. Okay. Guess we fixed it.